guys, I made a glitch in literally this game, bro. I don't know how did I get an I made a glitch, but I'm gonna let you see so you can try it out, guys. Literally, I try it on OG map. I cook, bro. Over here. Then you start off here. Do this thing, and but you need to like you need to move, bro. Forward, not leftward. I don't know, bro. Just do that. You got fling. Could also do this on the stairs, like this, there. But you need to be fast because, you will be much faster. This is a speed glitch, like this. If you want to go up there, just go up this, be much faster, but you need to be much taller because I'm not tall enough, so I cannot go. If this would be real life, I would adjust with you. And you can do this also on the stairs, but you need to jump there. Wait. You need to do this like this, bro. There, go. And also, you can do this. If you know this, then sorry, you're not allowed now. If you know all the glitches. But this is new, so don't leave yet. Watch this full video out because this might be cool. And up this. Oh my god, I miss. So lagging so much, but don't worry about the lag. And I failed, bro. Fake, bro. That's fake. Oh no, she's the real. Oh, it's not a fake. Why did they just say that? Why is it just like, bro? How? Did you say like, chill, bro? And whip. You got juke. Oh no. Kill them. He was beautiful. Oh, there's a furry. Kill him. And you. Bro, why is the glitches are not working? Oh, that's also called an full glitch. I made that glitch also. That's why you can try this out. And you have read the game and the start, so you can play this game and it works here. The name of this map is Ducks. And don't worry about that song because my Lolo is singing that. I don't know if it's my Lolo. Oh no, that's not him. So, this gun is slow. I have more glitches to do, but you need to be on OG map. You can do the small, the fall glitch, but it might be hard because you need an like little gap here. Like, bro, the fairy killed me. Wait, or under it. So let's go. When you get on the hill, you need to get on top and you need to time it perfectly. Though, because it might be hard, I guess, if you use the map. But you know, the OG map might be cool because that's the best way to do the falling glitch. Like, bro, how, bro? I did the glitch like so easy. It's just bro. It's too easy. No. Bro. Why is so famous? Hmm, what's this thing? My god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is this ducks? You can also do glitches here, but it's only a little, so that's why. The falling glitch makes you tap in on, like, bro, it's so crazy. The falling glitch is crazy, bro. Did you see that? Beautifully, I caught that on record, so bye. Bye, guys. See you.